I'm running in, and here we are on the main circuit for 4 laps. Away we go. Okay, if we stay to the right of the white line as we exit the pits. Stay to the right. That's it. Right of the line, that's it. Okay. So now aim for the single cone. Across these 2 cones here, aim for the single cone, on the brakes, 3rd gear. Okay, a little bit more power. You can feel, as you give it more power, you'll feel the nose. Okay, 4th gear, and turn to the left across this corner. Okay, 5th gear, and on the brakes, 4th gear. Okay, now gently blend to that, a little bit of power, that's great. Aim for that cone, on the brakes, turn in, a little bit of power. That's it, you feel as you put back on the power, straighten the car out. Okay. Okay, turn. 2nd is too low really. And power. Down to 3rd gear. Now this corner we turn in, gentle power, go to 4th, turn the nose across this apex, gently hold the power, that's it. Brake, 3rd gear. Now leave it in 3rd, okay. Leave it in 3rd, brake, across the apex, straight across, back on the power, aim for the end, 4th gear. Marvellous, and on the brakes hard, 3rd gear, turn in. 2nd is really too low. Okay, and power, 4th gear, 5th gear, and just turn across the apex, full width of the circuit. Okay, 3rd, turn, and power. And I think you'll notice for a road car, it's amazingly good around the circuit.
Yes.
This is standard road tyres, standard brakes, everything.
Everything is standard.
Yeah,
So the tires.
Okay, 5th gear, back on the power. Yeah, the tyres are just the normal, brake harder. 4th gear, turn across, aim for the cone, brake, 3rd gear, that's it. A little bit later turn in, a little bit of power, across to the right, 4th gear, across the apex, 5th gear, okay, and on the brakes, hard, 4th gear, okay, we take, that's it, nice late turn, leave it in 4th, okay, balance on the power, aim for there, brakes, 3rd gear, okay. If we turn in a little bit later, makes the corner much easier. 4th gear, brilliant. That's perfect. As I say, 2nd gear just takes you up to the rev limiter too quickly. Okay, down to 3rd. Gently back on the power. You can get on the power quite early with 4th gear. Okay. Down to 3rd. Leave it in 3rd on the brakes. Straight across the corner. Power. No need to pull it in, you know, you can just do a nice loop. 4th gear. Brilliant. And on the brakes, 3rd gear. Bit of power, 4th gear, 5th gear. Now gently turn across, use the full width of the circuit. Okay. Hard on the brakes, 3rd gear. That's it, back on the power. power. Over to the left, on the brakes, harder, third gear, bit later turn. Okay, okay, third gear, fourth gear. Now nice, aim from here, straight across, that's it. That's better. See, it took a nicer line to it.
Okay.
On the brakes, hard, harder, okay. A little bit of power now, that's brilliant. Can feel it balance. Aim, brake, third gear. Brilliant. Bit of power, that's it. Back on the power. You can feel the transition. If you keep on the power, the front wheel drive just pulls you through that S. Gently, fourth gear. It's just great. Down to third. Back on the power. That's it. And on the brake. Turn across the corner. Back on the power. Back on the power. That's it. Fourth gear. I think you've picked up the circuit very quickly. Okay. Can I gently turn in, straight across. Hard braking, third gear. Well, have you enjoyed that?
Yes, it's very nice.
Very good, isn't it? Okay, a brake, fifth gear, turn in, a little bit of power. And on the brakes, leave it in fourth. And on the brakes, third gear. A little bit of power. To the right, fourth gear. Gently now, gently across. Brilliant, fifth gear. And on the brakes hard. Fourth gear. Turn in, a little bit of power. That's great. And if I could ask you now just to gently slow it down a little. Okay, we'll go past him, that's fine. Brakes hard, and if we could just slow it down a bit now, just cool the car down a bit.
I have to go down.
Yeah, slow down.
It's a pity. Now I'm starting to to enjoy it.
I know. Brakes, and then if we move into the left, brake, just let this car by again, because he's still on a quicker lap, so it's only fair to give him
okay.
the line. Sorry about that.
No, don't worry. Very nice experience.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that.
Not sure.
On the brakes. We've never had anybody touch that yet.
I don't want to be the first.
Exactly, me neither. Okay, if we go up to my friend there.
Tweet him.
Only lightly. There we are.
Okay.
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 Thank you so much. We'll just
Thank
put
you very
that
much.
there. I'll turn